Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the muffler assembly on your leaf blower, make sure the engine and muffler have cooled and the on-off switch is in the off position. Use a T27 Torx bit to unthread the 4 screws, securing the starter. Next, remove the wire and boot from the spark plug. Unthread the 5 screws securing the engine cover. Pry off the cover. This may require some effort. Using a T30 Torx bit, unthread the 2 mounting bolts to release the old muffler assembly. Install the new muffler assembly by inserting the mounting bolts. Align the heat shield. Position the assembly on the engine and thread the bolts to secure. Reposition the engine cover. Thread and tighten the screws. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug. Realign the starter, making sure the pulley engages with the starter pawls. Thread the screws to secure the assembly. Your leaf blower should now be ready for use.